The other method of decreasing using a single crochet is known as the invisible decrease, and this is often used in amigurumi patterns because it leaves a much neater edge on the front of your work. If it's a double-sided piece, it's probably not recommended, but amigurumi, it's probably the best option. And what you're actually doing is picking up the front loop only of the first stitch and then the front loop only of the second stitch that you're combining. Yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So it's a lot neater on this side, however on the back side we're left with the back loops showing. So it's invisible but only on one side. Let's see it again. Pick up the front loop only of your first stitch and then the front loop only of your second stitch. Yarn over, pull through both loops and then yarn over, pull through both loops to finish off the stitch, finish off the single crochet.